Revelate Designs. Innovation. Alaska Wilderness Banana Strap.
Banana strap.
Banana strap.
Keep your bananas secure.
Well, it's a problem.
When the going gets rowdy.
Well, you know, even if it's just in there loose, it's just gonna get bounced around, and you're gonna have a mushy banana. This keeps it secure. The peach padding, the pear buffer with the napkins for the extra in case you got to make it dookie.
Put your leg flat.
What's flat?
Put your foot as flat as you can. Feel it right here into your ass.
Oh, I do.
Oh, you feel anything?
Not really. I have really loose hips.
2.6 miles in.
We're 6 miles, man.
2.6.
Oh, I was like, that's no way. Is it coming out?
Oh,
right
yeah,
here?
it's coming out right here.
That ain't supposed to happen.
All right. Things are going well.
What are you thinking?
Putting a tube in. Not dealing with this shit anymore.
Tubed and lubed.
Tube, lubed, and ready.
That's
Tube, lubed, and rude. Reid O'Shane. Should have wore the
Sick, right?
It's a mean old ball, they call me to shine. Red wine, so mellow and fine. Come home at night with a swim in the head. Reach for the pillow just to hold on bed.
The finer points of bike hoisting. Sure.
I should play an 18-string bass.
or the top of.
You just can't go. Reach for the north, miss the hold on door.
Hey, it's that way. There's going to be a switchback at the bottom there, but it's a good time. Nice little bunny hop.
Here we see the elusive reed, foraging for water in its natural habitat. Big, tall, dumb idiot. Watch as he fiddles in the water.
You got me in a great light.
Yeah.
With all the flies.
Fucking perfect. Right?
Gin is a drink so mellow and so get a little taste and you want some more. So out walking, you just can't go.
Oh yeah, there's a guy. He's climbing up.
Hold on door.
Deer! Woo! Hi, bud. Hi, squirrel. On your left. Thank you. On your right. Flat.
You are so cute. Start out walking, you just can't go. Reach for the north, miss the hold on door.